Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another week here in the books, and as we head into the weekend, just want to get ZOM mapped out here, as there is a very distinct pattern here. So right off the get-go, I'm not trying to come across like what I'm about to talk about is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are probably going to be watching this pattern, and I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same pattern and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So the first part of this pattern here is just the support portion, where you can see that over time here, there has been a nice little upwards trend to it. In fact, let me change that to green to represent the support area of it. But that just represents where the buyers are every time the price is pulled back. There have been people, wanting to, step up there and purchase shares whenever the price got down around that area. So that would be the, like I said, bottom portion of the pattern. And then the top portion of the pattern, just right up here at the $7-ish mark. And that is just very, clearly, especially after today's price movement, you can see that once again got more confirmation. Price tried to move upwards during that opening 30 minutes and once again got rejected right at that area. So it's just very apparent that there's sellers up there, and whenever the price does get up around that area, people are looking to sell. But at the core, what I'm getting at here is this is what we would call an ascending triangle pattern. And you're going to have all sorts of people, and rightfully so, watching and wondering, can the price get up to there and break? And if it breaks, well, nothing's guaranteed. It's more than a plausible. It's more than a rational thought to have that break very well could increase quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Just because, hey, that's a technical pattern breakout, and it would be wise to potentially buy that. So that is definitely going to be a very highly watched level at $7. And then that trend line also is important, just because if you want this pattern to remain in play and have it remain valid, then the price is just simply going to also need to be able to stay above that area right there. But all in all, going into next week, ZOM 30-minute ascending triangle pattern. Let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.